The opposition in Tripura has launched a scathing attack on the BJP-Tripura alliance. While the Congress said that the present situation pertaining to the alliance visibly indicate about political instability, the CPIM sees that the BJP has patched up with the Tripura Motha for the sake of its own benefits. The Tripura opposition's attack comes at a time when the Tripura Motha has expressed its dissatisfaction over the progress of the Triprasa agreement and subsequently the party seeking additional berths in the Manik Saha cabinet. Tripura Congress President Ashish Kumar Saha, speaking to Northeast Live, said that it is real difficult to understand the position of the Tripura Motha. Saha alleged that the party changes its status very frequently and never sticks to its core issues. Thus, the Tripura Congress feels that it is nothing but political instability. Saha said that when the Tripura Motha had fielded its own candidate on a BJP ticket in the Lok Sabha elections, the decision of the party to go solo in the TTAADC elections substantiates that there is instability in the ties between both the BJP and Tripura Motha.
ये जो मोथा ये लोग इंडिजिनियस पीपल्स की बारे में बात करता है, उनको भविष्य के बारे में और उन लोगों का कुछ डिमांड उन लोगों ने रखा है। ग्रेटर त्रिपुरा लैंड को लेके विलेज काउंसिल, रिटायर विलेज काउंसिल इलेक्शन, ऐसा कुछ ये डिमांड था। लेकिन ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि त्रिपुरा मथा इनका स्टैंड क्या है। आज जो बात बोलता है ये कुछ दिनों के बाद उसमें ये लोग हट जाता है। ये जो चेंजिंग बार बार इन लोगों को दिखाई दे रहा है, ये पॉलिटिकल इंस्टेबिलिटी लग रहा है। बीजेपी के साथ जो पार्टी जाएगा, ये जो छोटा मोटा पार्टी जो है बीजेपी के साथ जो भी है, इसका हालत ये लोग ख़राब कर देते हैं। टोटल पार्टी को ग्रैब करके ये लोग उनका जो अस्तित्व को भी वो ख़त्म कर देता है। तो ये हो रहा है त्रिपुरा में। पहले आईपीएफ को ख़त्म किया, फिर मोथा भी इतना जल्दी ये लोग कैबिनेट में ये चला गया, ये कैबिनेट में उनका पार्टिसिपेशन हो गया और इसके बाद ये लोग उनके सिंबल पे अपना जो कैंडिडेट उसको भी उतारा। अभी बोल रहा है कि हम लोग पंचायत में लड़ेंगे अलग से। एक्चुअली ये जो इंस्टेबिलिटी कई बार बीजेपी माने रूलिंग पार्टी को ये लोग बाहर से और अंदर से प्रेशर डालने के लिए ये लोग करता है। उसका खुद का कोई एजेंडा नहीं है।
On the other hand, CPIM leader Pavitra Kaur feels that the BJP is using the Tripura Motha for the sake of its own benefits. Kaur in this regard stated that the BJP had gone into an understanding with the Tripura Motha before the recent Lok Sabha elections with the intention of only creating division of votes in the opposition camp. Managing the Tripura Motha is BJP's main game plan, Kaur alleged while speaking to Northeast Live.
Totally, they manage the Tripura Motha. It's the BJP game plan. The people's voice of the state is against BJP in the 2023 elections. For that, practically, they have pursued him and they practically take up in their fold by division of the voters. This agreement, after this, the agreement is a very farce. There is no single word for the development of the tribal community. It is eyewash completely. For that, practically, for their saving Tripura Motha, they are going to these agreements with the BJP. They have no right to go to the people. Peoples are avoiding. But you know, when the vote is coming, some people are for the money distribution, etc. some vote here and there it can go. But in the people's mind, both BJP and the Tipramota is they are against the people.